Every time I gotta say goodbye, tears are falling, that's why I can't say it eye to eye. Every time that I go, can't find a reason why. Maybe someday you'll know just how I feel inside. I can't hold on, won't let go. Going down the same old road. Have it all, take my soul. Pray a little, make it whole. And even if I pretend it'll be alright, I know I'll see you again in my other life. I'm drifting on, and you're all alone. Keep holding on, cause I'm coming home. I'm coming back to the ones I know. Never lose hope, cause I won't let go. I'm coming home. I'm coming back to the ones I know. Never lose hope, cause I won't let go. I'm coming. I'm coming. I have to say goodbye, one day I'll say hello. I'll never say goodbye again, I'll never let you go. I keep moving down this long, lonely road. I can't wait to hold you when you open up that door. Don't you forget me. I'd become a ghost, you're the only thing that matters. When I dream, you're my soul. I was always empty, but your heart was made of gold. And you melted everything around me, you became my hope.